With me today, as you all know, is Cumberland County District Attorney David Freed. We're here today, obviously, in response to the governor's unilateral action. This morning, granting Terrence Williams a reprieve and imposing a moratorium on the death penalty. It's my belief and the belief of the Pennsylvania District Attorneys Association that the governor's actions are a misuse of Pennsylvania law and a punch to the stomach of victims who have gone through the process of going through a trial, having a death sentence imposed on the worst of the worst. First-degree murderers who our legislature has said in certain circumstances warrant the death penalty. This is an action that the governor took because the legislature hasn't changed the law. The legislature who makes our laws, the governor who enforces our laws, have specific duties. And here the governor has taken an action to overturn what's been a law in Pennsylvania for many years, unilaterally with the stroke of a pen, rather than debating it in the legislature. I find it interesting that at this point in time, many of the cases that are coming up at this point in time for an execution date are cases that have been through the appellate process, where we've had exhaustive appeals. And now, as those appeals dwindle and there's really not much time left, the governor has sought to impose his views, not as a legislator, not as a court, but as the governor with the stroke of the pen, issuing a moratorium. We've seen this before from governors in Illinois and Oregon. Both those governors, I disagree with their decisions then, and I think time has shown what kind of governors they were. But to have this, this done today, without an opportunity for prosecutors to be heard, without the opportunity for victims groups to meet with the governor, is really a slap in the face. It's a hastily made decision after only 3 weeks in office. I'm part of the Joint State Government Commission that's looking at this issue. One of only a few prosecutors. Frankly, most of the members of that study are anti-death penalty advocates. But that process is ongoing. We'll have more to say as that plays out. Here in Dauphin County, we're very selective with when we seek the death penalty. We have individuals like Ernest Walloper, many of you covered. Fran Charter tried that case. He was sentenced to death for killing his estranged wife and children. Herbert Blakeney, whose case I tried, slit a 15-month-old's throat a couple of times while police officers were trying to apprehend him. We have plenty of murders in Dauphin County. We're very selective with when we seek the death penalty, and when a jury imposes that sentence after the process that they do, and after the appeals are heard, that sentence should be carried out, and the governor should not be able, absent some irregularity, to issue a reprieve. I'm going to turn it over to David this time.